In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make custom avatars in VRchat on your Oculus Quest 2. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are two ways you can do this. The first one is using this website over at Ready Player Me, and you simply have to select Create Avatar and follow their instructions presented over here at the Quick Start Guide, or you can simply try this out alone to see how far you can go. As you can see, you can upload a photo of you or simply choose from the available avatars that you want to use. Alternatively, if you want to make a custom avatar that is unique to you and you want to use, for example, an anime or a game or a manga or whatever, you will have to create a custom one using 3D software and Unity. As you can see, this is a pretty advanced process that you can find over at the VRchat document guides called Creating Your First Avatar and Creating Content for VRchat on Oculus. Over here at this guide, you have to download a lot of tools and follow the instructions presented here in order to properly create and upload an avatar to VRchat. Like I said, since this process is more advanced, I won't be showing it in this video, but if you want a simple one that you can either use a picture or create one based on the templates they have, Ready Player Me has got you covered. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a custom avatars in VRChat on your Oculus Quest 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.